Okay, welcome to Forensic Psychology, Science and Pseudoscience. My name is Rachel Shore. I'm going to be your instructor for this course. I just wanted to put just this little short video since we're not going to be meeting in person at all this semester, and also just to let you know a little bit about what to expect for this first week. So when you go onto the Blackboard site, you'll see under content settings that there's assignments week by week. So when you go into today's date, there's a couple of things that I just wanted to briefly describe to you since it's a little bit different this first week than ongoing throughout the semester. So under the week 1 science versus pseudoscience, I also have a sheet next to me with my notes, so I'm going to be looking off screen. So for week 1, science versus pseudoscience and cognitive biases, there's a couple of things for you to look for. One is instructions that were graciously provided by Professor Todd Stafford in the Honors College on how to personalize your Blackboard page, so you can put a picture of yourself, an appropriate picture, as your icon, and that's just another way for folks to be able to kind of meet each other and introduce yourself since we're not going to be actually meeting in person. There's also a link to one of the discussion board web pages called Ask for Help. And I'd like you to subscribe to this forum, discussion forum, and there's instructions on the Blackboard page on how to do that. And that way, if somebody does ask a question, which is similar to just like raising your hand in class, a question that you are comfortable with other folks hearing, that way you'll get messaged about the question and the answer. And then of course, if there's any questions that you have that you would just rather ask me individually, you're more than welcome to just email me directly. There's also a very short intro survey, and these are questions like, what is your preferred name? So again, since we're not meeting in person, I want to make sure that I'm tailoring my responses to you as best as I possibly can. And then there's 2 readings or pieces of information being presented for you this week. One is called Pseudoscience, and the other one is called Cognitive Biases. And this is information to familiarize yourself with the topic, really, as we jump into the course. And then lastly, there is one discussion board posting that is due this Wednesday, which is the 30th. And these are 5 just introductory questions for you to introduce yourself to the rest of the class. So I'm very much looking forward to working with you guys over the course of the semester, and feel free, as always, to reach out to me with any questions.